Hey everyone, welcome to November 2018. So I'm recording this video a little later in the month than normal because I actually had a baby. So my baby has been taking up a lot of my time, not really allowing me to record this video, but I am doing it today on a Saturday while my husband is home and can help me out a bit more. So nevertheless, I wanted to get into the promos this month because we still have 2/3 left of the month in case you are oil curious and want to know what's in it for you this month to get started. So let's dive into it. So first of all, I love starting with this. What do we know about essential oils? So I kind of cover this each and every video that I make month to month because it's really important to come back to why essential oils are becoming so popular and people are really turning to them for their health. So people are becoming more aware of the potential risks of over-the-counter medicine, and they see the potential of essential oils as a natural and safe way to take care of their health and for their families. And especially me now as a new mom, I feel so empowered knowing that I have these tools to help my new baby out. Oils are also pennies per drop per bottle, and they last a very long time. So a standard 15 milliliter bottle has 250 drops in it, and you really only need one drop to get the desired effect accomplished. So it really can be pennies per drop when you break it down like that. They impact the body at a cellular level, and this is super huge for when we are suffering from things like viruses because they can actually penetrate into the cell. The oils can to eradicate the virus, so it's really cool. Oils are safe and effective and will address 80%, if not more, of your health concerns. And I've seen this time and time again. It's hard when I am talking to people and maybe they have an issue. They're addressing an issue with me, and in my head I'm always thinking, well, I know what oil to tell them about, but you don't want to blurt it out because there is just always an oil. There really is an oil for everything. So even though I say 80% here, just know that it's probably higher. There's probably so much more you can do within your home to help with your health concerns. Oils also reduce toxins and chemicals in the home. This is huge, especially as this was actually my entry point into oils. I just loved the idea of being able to clean my home with a new baby and not having to worry about calling poison control and all that. So oils really hold a very near and dear place in my heart for green cleaning. And like I said, you will feel empowered in yours and your family's health with essential oils because you are going to turn to them for your health concerns and really rock it that way. But most importantly, they reduce costs since oils will work in place in a lot of what you're currently using. So if you've seen my monthly oil haul videos, you'll see what I have subbed oil and oil products in with and replaced, all the other stuff that I was buying and spending on before. So it's really important to understand how oils can really fit into your life and really impact you in all areas. So now that we know all that, let's dive into the essential oil promos for this month, November 2018. So first of all, the free oil of the month. This is for current customers. So if you are one and you have set up your monthly rewards program template, so LRP for short, loyalty rewards, you will get clove essential oil for free. I have it here somewhere. Here we go. So there is clove essential oil for free just for processing your order of 125 by the 15th of the month. So for instance, I'm recording this video on the 10th. You still have 5 more days to get this promo and you will get this free oil. Again, just for simply overhauling your health and kind of redirecting your spending. So getting, natural health products to support your home by using this monthly ordering program. So clove is an amazing oil, and I'll tell you why on this next slide. So ways that you can actually use this oil, because I really think it's important to note that I don't just want you spending money to get more products or more oils and then you're not using them. That doesn't make sense to me. I don't want people to waste money or necessarily spend a lot just to get more oils, but then not know what to do with them. So that's why I love providing the education aspect of what you can do, especially with the monthly promos each month, and how you can apply them in your home if you are wanting to get these free products. So with clove, you can use it for green cleaning. So clove is a powerful antioxidant. So you could try using it in your all-purpose cleaner. You could add 10 to 20 drops to a spray bottle and top with water. You can also add in any other cleansing essential oils. Citrus oils are amazing for this. And I think clove is really great right now with the holidays coming up. You're getting that scent infused in your home. Clove really reminds me of Christmas. When I was younger, my mom used to take oranges and shove cloves in them and then get the smell of them. So that's essentially what you're doing when you are cleaning with essential oils, right? So you are getting that beautiful smell, but you're also getting the benefits of it working on a deeper cleansing level to support your home, removing the nasty germs and all that from your home and doing it in a non-toxic way. So that's one way to use clove. It's also very great for the immune system. So you could apply it diluted down, because clove is a spicier oil, to the bottoms of the feet, and or take it in an empty veg capsule and swallow it that way. It's also great for liver and brain support. So again, same thing, dilute down and apply to the bottoms of the feet, or take internally in a veg cap. Thyroid and metabolism support too. Again, dilute down, this time apply it to the bottom of the big toe, or take in an empty veggie cap and get the internal benefits that way. Sore tooth support. So I noted that in another video that my husband cracked his tooth about 1.5 years, 2 years ago on a piece of popcorn or a popcorn kernel. And this oil was the only thing that gave him relief until he could get in at the dentist. So he would just apply it right to the area and really numb it. So it's great for that. But again, diluted down, he just did not care. He was in so much pain that he just applied it directly to the gums, and it like gave him so much relief. So you could dilute it down. Again, like I said, he didn't because he needed the relief, but then you apply it to the area to numb and ease pain. Great for teething babies, but you're going to want to heavily dilute it for sure with them. So 1 drop of clove and 2 tablespoons of a carrier oil, like fractionated coconut oil, olive oil, whatever oil you have on hand to make sure that it's not as spicy for their sensitive little mouths. And then you can apply it to the gums where the tooth is coming in. So this is going to be great for babies and irritation when they do have those teeth coming in. And then you can use it in your diffuser too. So I have plugged in some amazing diffuser blends to use clove with. So here we have a few. Again, you can pause this video and write them down. You can also head to this link, bit.ly/diffuse blends, and it's going to have tons of other diffuser blends, not all featuring clove, but just a collection of other ones as you build out your oil collection. But these are just showcasing the free product of the month. So here are 2, and then we have autumn leaves. We have a beautiful winter chai diffuser blend, all, very, very holiday-esque, if you will, and it just really is this time of year to want to use these anyway. So these are perfect, and why clove is the free oil this month. Then we have a seasonal shift blend. So just take note, white fir is actually discontinued now. And in place, we have Siberian fir, so you could plug that oil in for this diffuser blend instead. This is my favorite right now. So I came up with this blend last year, and it smells so gorgeous. So just 2 drops each of these 4 oils. Again, pause the video if you want to jot them down and pump it in your diffuser, and you're going to feel like you are in the holiday season. Then we have a pumpkin spice diffuser blend and a crisp autumn spice diffuser blend. So all delicious ways to use this oil. And then through the US warehouse, we have 10% off Digest Zen soft gel. So Digest Zen is the digestive blend. So it's great for tummy support and upset stomachs and all that. So for ordering through the US warehouse, you can get 10% off on this month. So it's got really beautiful oils in it: ginger root, peppermint, caraway seed, coriander, anise, tarragon, and fennel. These all work together to really support the digestive system. So this is great for on the go because they are in soft gels. So if you're traveling, if you're trying new food, if you have stomach issues, definitely have this as one of your travel companions so you can pop it on the go. It helps reduce gas, bloating, indigestion, soothe upset stomach. Again, holidays are coming up, so you might want it for those big holiday meals when, we stuff ourselves silly and with all of that delicious food, but it doesn't feel so great afterwards. And again, it will help in aid in digestion of this food as well, so it's really key. One thing I think is really cool to note about this is for athletes. I've never really thought of this before, but when you are an athlete, you can get nervous and anxious, and that's when your stomach can kind of get upset. So this is really a great way to have on the go if you're an athlete. So if you are running a race or whatever, you have it on you and you can take it, and it's going to support you that way. So I thought that was a fun one to note. And then if through the Canadian warehouse, so we have a lot of people in our Central Glow tribe that are from Canada. So the oil this month that you can get 10% off is on Zengest, which is the Canadian version of Digest Zen. It's the same oil, just different name, but it's the oil now versus in the soft gels. And this is what you can get 10% off for 10% off. And I just did the top 10 uses. This is actually on my website at charmcgee.com. The 10 uses for this plus the other top 10 oils. You can look at the top uses for all of the top 10 oils. But just because this is 10% off, again, I want you to get your oils and use them. Here are 10 ways to use the Zengest or Digest Zen blend. So when you're on a road trip, again, it works exactly like the soft gel, but again, this is just the oil. So you could use it a little bit more broadly than just having the soft gel and popping it in your mouth. But it's great for road tripping. If you try something new, this is one use for it. So you can add it to a hot cup of water and sip it like tea and get the internal benefits that way. Take a drop in water before your next meal to enhance your digestion. You have a full belly, you know, with the holidays, it's great to apply topically to it afterwards when the bad bug strikes. So, you know, when the stomach upset hits the home, whether it's through something you ate or anything like that, this is going to really give you some relief. So whether you're diffusing it, you're applying it to your chest, you're applying it to your stomach, or you're doing all of those things to just help. And it might not necessarily remove or take away the upset stomach, but it's going to help you ease through it. So we definitely had a course of it in our home, and this is what I turned to make sure that we were getting, you know, the support and the help that we needed to get through that just not good time. So, and then here's some other ones. So seasickness is a great one for that. Just apply to your wrists or behind the ears or under the nose to just really get the scent of it for that. Again, tummy troubles. We're little babes. So my little guy, I have a 3-week-old, and he was experiencing the newborn constipation, and I felt so bad for him. So I was just heavily diluting this down and then just rubbing it on his stomach. So I was doing it in clockwise around his stomach and even going into the belly button once his umbilical stump fell off, and just really massaging him and giving him some relief that way. You can double up with peppermint on you and really get some relief that way, because peppermint is really driving for getting this oil, you know, doing what it needs to do. So you can use it for that. And then the most peculiar hack for Digesten or Zengest is to use it on the bridge of the nose to help with any sinus pressure. So when we think of snoring and all that, or head tension, and really effective for that too, which is really cool. Okay, and now since we are getting into the holidays, I just wanted to note that doTERRA releases holiday products every year on November 1st, and they really knocked it out of the park this year. Unfortunately, some of the products are already sold out. They sold out within the first day, which is amazing and crazy all in one. But if you have a look here, they have 3 beautiful blends, Holiday Peace, Holiday Joy, and there's a new one, Harvest Spice. I haven't got it yet. It's coming in the mail soon, so I can't wait to smell it. But these are beautiful to diffuse around the holidays. They really do smell like Christmas in a bottle. They have a new kids diffuser out, this cute little elephant. They have a few other things that are still available. So if you are looking for some fun holiday items, definitely check them out. These are for new and current customers. So if you are getting started, you could totally tag some of the holiday products onto your initial order, because you're going to start saving from that first order. So are you ready to begin your oil journey? I'm going to show you the best way to get started this month. So doTERRA is running a really awesome promo this month if you are looking to begin your oil journey. When you spend 100 PV or more, which is really any enrollment kit is 100 PV or more. So you can start with the one that I did, which is the Home Essentials. It's an amazing kit. It gives you those top 10 oils. Again, that you can access that blog post on my blog to learn about how to use all these top 10 oils. And you get a diffuser too. But when you get started with one of the enrollment kits, you're gonna get 50 points for free. And 50 points is pretty much like $50 for free. So think about what you can really invest in by using that 50 free dollars, whether it's, you know, getting additional oils or trying one of the natural products that doTERRA has that is infused with oils. There are some really great ways to really get started, and I think it's so awesome that they're gifting you $50 in free products. So that is what is up for grabs this month if you're ready to begin your oil journey. I just want to make note that you are a customer, or you know, you maybe like the idea of oils, but you know that someone that you know would really, really enjoy the idea of oils more, and you want to help them get started. I would love to help them through you if that works out for you, and get them started and then give you an amazing gift as a thank you for setting me up with them. So I just wanted to make note of that. And you know, we can talk more about that if that's something that you are thinking and want to explore more of. So why you would want to join our oil tribe, because one, oils are awesome, but through it you'll receive a welcome pack from me, education and community, which I think is really important. You know, you want to be supported and you want to know how to use these oils, and I love educating and delivering you new stuff to help you on this journey. You're gonna have access to ebooks and PDFs. I actually just created, if you are pregnant or going through that stage of life, or considering it, I just created another guide last month on pregnancy and labor and essential oils. So I'm always being creative and trying to find ways to add value to our community, and setting you up with stuff to use your oils. Again, it all comes back to that. Knowledge is power, and when you have that knowledge, you can apply it. But with the oils, I want to make sure that you know how to apply them and they're not just sitting there and collecting dust. So that's why I love creating guides and ebooks and all that to help you learn how to use your oils more. There's also a beautiful business opportunity. If you're feeling called to share the oils, you totally don't need to. You can be a customer, or you can build this business, which I kind of just stepped into gradually, not really realizing it, just when I started sharing naturally with the oils. So if that's something that is kind of on your radar, or you're thinking like, I love my oils and I would like to learn more about how I can share with my friends and family, then you can definitely explore that. But again, it's totally optional. And then finally, just having these key tools to rock your natural and holistic health. You'll finally have a tool that makes you feel empowered to really have your health in such a great place because you're using oils to support it. So that is that. So if you want to chat more about it, please let me know. These are the promos for the month. And again, if I missed anything, or if you have any questions about anything, please give me a holler, email me, or you could head to this to begin your journey. It's bit.ly/glow journey. It'll direct you to my website, and you can learn more information there, or even check out more of what I have to offer there as well. So I hope this was super helpful. I am so excited for those that are already on this oil journey with us, and I hope this video helped you understand more about this month's promo. And I'm super excited for those that are ready to join us and get on this oil train and just really have this thriving and glowing health as a result of them. So just message me if you have any questions, and otherwise I hope you have a beautiful rest of the month, and I will be back again with another video. See you later.